Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost someone else's story on Snapchat. First of all, it is important to understand that Snapchat does not allow you to repost anyone's stories unless they have tagged you in that story. If someone has tagged you, you will be able to repost it. For this tutorial, one of my friends has tagged me in their story, so I will show you the steps to repost it. Start by opening Snapchat and navigating to the Stories section. This is where you can see the stories shared by your friends. Find the story in which you have been tagged. Once you find it, tap to open the story. As the story plays, you will notice a button labeled Add to Story appearing on the screen. Tap on this button. This action will open a new interface allowing you to post the story exactly as it is. You can also add your caption or any text you want. At the bottom of the screen, there are two options. These options are for customizing to whom your story will be shared. The first option allows you to post the story exactly as it is. The second option is Send to, which lets you review additional settings before posting, like whether you want to post it publicly or to your friends. Choose the option you want and click on the send icon at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, the story will be added to your profile and visible for 24 hours. That's it. This is how you can easily repost someone's story on Snapchat if they have tagged you. Thank you for watching.